Here, in no particular order, is Craig's list of 2019 InfoComm essentials. I know I said this list was in no particular order, but the most important thing you can have when you come to InfoComm 2019 is a pair of comfortable shoes. More than one if you prefer. You're going to be putting a lot more miles on your feet and a lot more steps on your fitness tracker than you realize. And you're going to need to make sure that those feet are in good shape by the end of the day, because then you got some partying to do and some dinners to attend at the end of the night. That doesn't mean you have to wear the grungy sneakers that you wear outside to mow the lawn, but definitely keep those brand new wingtips at home. Find a way to merge fashion and comfort. Make sure you drink a lot of water at InfoComm 2019. Ask for it at every booth visit you make. I always do, in addition to always accepting a manufacturer's invitation to sit down while we talk. I always prefer water to any company branded swag, although I know that's a priority for these companies when they come to trade shows. If you do have to take home any company branded swag, a pen is the way to go. You can never have too many of those. That's something I found out the hard way back in my newspaper days when I was covering a fire and my pen ran out of ink. Never again have I gone anywhere on any assignment, even in my personal life, without a couple of pens in my pocket. Lip balm is another one of my InfoComm 2019 essentials, although that's cheating a bit because I don't go anywhere without lip balm these days. I haven't done it for years. Although Orlando is a lot more humid and there's a lot more moisture in the air than in Las Vegas. That doesn't mean your lips aren't going to get dry, especially if you don't get enough water. Bring as many business cards as you can in your backpack for InfoComm 2019. You're going to be meeting a lot of new people and shaking a lot of people's hands, so you want to make sure that you remember that encounter, remember those people's names, their titles, everything like that. Business card puts that all in one place, especially if you're a coffee drinker, but regardless, make sure you carry some gum or some mints with you. I know there are some people who will go to InfoComm 2019 who are partial to some manufacturers' mints, but I prefer gum myself. But either way, make sure your breath is smelling good for those important meetings, and even the not so important ones. You're going to be meeting a lot of people and shaking a lot of hands at InfoComm 2019. You want to make sure that you bring along some hand sanitizer, just in case. You have no idea where those hands have been, and really, do you want to have your number one souvenir from your InfoComm 2019 experience be a cold or a sickness? Do not forget your phone charger. You'll be upset if you do. Your battery will die a lot quicker than it normally does, especially with all that information being exchanged inside the Orange County Convention Center. Most importantly, bring your curiosity and bring an open mind. You never know which of your meetings will end up being your best and turn into the long-term relationships that maybe you didn't even expect. Enjoy your InfoComm 2019 experience. See you there.